Alrighty here. Let's have a look at I wanted to see, pull this over here. Okay, so there's some news here in 4 minutes. I kind of like what gold's doing here. I might play a little bit of a risky trade here today on the news. Man, everyone's sleeping still, I guess. You know what I think I'm gonna do is take a quarter of the position of the size that I normally have, because this news can get pretty crazy sometimes. I'm gonna wait a minute before the news and decide if I'm gonna do it or not. But if we close, if we start pushing up into this resistance with this 15-minute candle, I'm gonna place an order above this. 1 second though, I'll let you guys know. We still got 3 minutes as well. All right, so my plan was, with news coming in at 7:30, so here in 2 minutes, we've got two options here. Well, three. The first one is I could try to place an order, which is pretty risky considering the news and the whiplash sometimes is not good. So I could try to set an order. Man, Bitcoin ripped last night. So I could try to set an order here, or what I can do is wait, not trade the news at all, just trade the New York Stock Exchange open and hope that there's a trade set up there that's more clean. I was hoping between now and then this would push up into this, because then playing the buy would make a lot of sense, setting that order there. I think unless that happens in the next 10-15 seconds, I won't be able to play this trade here. We'll see though. We'll just see how this opens up. We'll see what the news comes out to as well. This thing should start to move here in 10 seconds. So just to make it clear, I'm not in anything right now. So far, nothing. Let me know if you guys get the news to load. Man, this thing takes forever now. Oh, so it's slightly better than expected. See what happens here. The problem is we're just going to be playing like really a breakout here because there's nothing clean. It's not that clean to the upside. We got to be patient with this one here today. What looks good is how price moved up and then just continued sitting on this support. That looks pretty good. Your cleaner range is like above this 4 hour. That makes more sense. See if anything happened here in the news last night too. Oh, yeah, I think this Evergrande group didn't pay something again this week. Not good. Man, and some of you guys were on here yesterday as well. You guys remember we talked about with Trap King, we talked about GU. This was the move here, remember? We talked about coming back into this box, literally scooping you up. This thing pick you up and run 30 pips, came back again, up 90. I'm sure some of you guys remember the straight idea. Did anyone end up taking it? Ooh, Douglas, you took it?
Yo, what's up,
Nice.
Tanner? How you doing?
What up?
What's up, guys?
Trap
What's up,
King?
guys? How you everybody doing?
Looks
I mean,
like Douglas.
I had
Someone
an
took that
amazing.
trade.
Somebody took it. Oh my goodness!
Yeah.
Did they also take the EUR GBP? Did they also take the EUR GBP? Oh man, they didn't take it. Oh my goodness, that stuff was amazing. We're just like this, chased it, and the next thing we call two setups. EUR GBP was just an entry, no drawdown, and lights out.
Yeah, that GU is pretty nice. Let's have a look at Euro GBP. Oh my God, it pulled right up into it. We
Right
literally
into the play, just there, right there.
we
No
literally talked
draw
about it.
down.
No
No
drawdown.
draw down. Look at that.
60
So
pips.
bad.
Euro
Wow.
GBP sucks too, like 60 pips moving on that. That's pretty decent. That's
I'm
solid.
telling you, that's the highest paying currency pair in Forex market. It's 70 pip move on
Isn't
an EUR.
I was gonna
It's
say,
7,
isn't a standard lot on that 12 bucks?
no, it's I think 7 pip for 100. 7 pip for 100. So at what did it take? Okay, for instance, 10 pips on EUR GBP on the standard is $100, but on EUR GBP it's just 7 pips.
Oh, so just 7 pips for 100, you're saying?
Yep, on the standard.
Yeah, so it's 12, it moves $12 a pip on a standard in reality because of the
Okay.
exchange rate. That's what I thought, but yeah, dude, that's a good move. 60 pips on that is a really decent move.
On a
Yeah,
pair that doesn't move.
yeah, it melted off of there, bro. Literally tapped right into that. I mean, I can't make it up. Oh, we literally talked about both of them. And I think I gotta hold up here. Let me look at something.
I have a setup, but I don't want to trade. I have like 2 setups, but I don't want to trade.
I accidentally removed someone from the Zoom because when I got in here, they were already in here and I didn't even drop the link yet. So I was like, what the heck is this person doing? So I kick him out.
Yeah, that was me. Hey guys, my name's Joe. I'm new, but I was in right at 8, so
Oh, my
I had to
fault.
log in from my phone instead.
Oh, I'm sorry. I seen him in there and I'm like, dude, what is this how this person already get in here? So I was like, screw it, I'll just kick him out. I had no idea.
You
I don't
left the
blame
key
you.
to your house on you left the key to your house on the road.
That's funny.
Oh man.
Man, the S&P got crushed yesterday. I think it got crushed. Oh, I got sidetracked here. Hold up a second. I'm looking trying to bring something up. I think this was yesterday's video. Trying to find something in it. Man, I don't even know how I don't even remember. Maybe this wasn't yesterday's video. I don't even remember talking about any of this. Because I was gonna share this video so you guys could watch it again, but we'll see if it can if I can figure it out. I just gotta fast forward through this and listen. And you can. Oh. Yeah, if we can get this candle as well to move up, close up in here for 545, this is gonna be nice. We'll be able to play this breakout today. And I also like so far with that idea how price came 7 o'clock closed and price ripped right back into that range. So if this candle can close back above all of this, it's going to be a good sign that we're going to move up today. So we just got to sit here and wait. Next one will open here in 6 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to try to find this, see what this video is. Yeah, I don't remember anything from this video. I don't think this is it. Man, I went on this hike yesterday and my body is tired today. So this mountain was so brutal. This thing was like literally freaking straight up sometimes, like vertical walking up. It's terrible. Yeah, so we're gonna have to wait for 4 more minutes here. Yeah, you know what? That this video is not from yesterday, so I can scratch that idea. See what else happens here in the news. Yeah, if you guys don't use Forex Factory, you've got to start using it. You can change the filter in here too, where you can see like holidays, you could see low impact, medium, high impact, all the kinds of news, all the currencies. But I just keep on medium and high impact because that's what really moves the market and is more important. Now, you can go in here as well and read about, there's like a lot of forums on here for like actual trading, but the news on here is nice. It's not like it's not like typical mainstream news where it's lean heavy one way. It's literally just economic data, like straight up how it is. So I like using it. What up, Steven? But the other thing I was gonna say is I enjoy like macroeconomics. I don't just come in and read news and then like take a trade based off of news, right? Because like if you look here this morning, your core like price index was better than expected, right? And if you go for the US dollar, but yet gold moved up and the dollar just continues moving down. So if you were to trade just simply based off of news, like oh, this is good news for the dollar, so I'm going to buy it, you'll find out a lot of times you're going to end up just getting absolutely destroyed on that. So that's why I don't ever trade that way. But you guys know what, when this made the bottom wick earlier, I thought about having us buy this. That would have been a great idea. But we have this close here in 1.5 minutes. So what I really want to see is if price can move up into this level here. And as well, like we need to close back above all of this. So that's what I'm watching for here. Can this 15-minute just close up in this range? Then the next one create a bottom wick, break the high. We're going to make a nice move to the upside. Easy scalp on this. So I'm going to sit here and wait on this. It's going to be, you can just see all of this support, big, like what I call FU candles, is when one breaks out and then you find out on the next one it's a fake out. Those are FU candles. That's what happened here. Just holding on to a nice support here, closing up into this. This is nice. So this candle is going to close here in 30 seconds. We want it to close above that level though. So I'm going to get my stuff ready here. Come on, don't break out yet. So on the open, in 10 seconds, we want this to close up here. We want the next 15-minute candle to pull back. If it breaks the high, I think that's a good point of execution, but this thing better not break out yet. Let's see if this thing can move up. If it starts to break its own low, I'd be cautious, but it should be able to fill this range here. Oh, that thing's breaking up there. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of this. We'll hold up a second. See if it could push a little more. Yeah, I'm gonna exit this. So decent scalp there. I even got in this a little bit late. It moved a little bit quicker than I thought. Not bad though. Not bad here. I wouldn't be surprised if it keeps going, but you've got to play level to level here. It's an obvious level right here, so it's good we get out. Don't get greedy. Let me see here. I can throw this to Steven's chat like normal. Yeah, this thing might just plow through all of this. It's just a gamble sometimes. Like if you try to wait on that whole move to break all the way out, you sometimes will bang your head on resistance, and sometimes it just flies through it. So you've got to find that, you got to find that fine line. And I find that exiting the trade when it's obviously at an obvious level, it's just a lot easier. So here's the trade here. There's the buy on the breakout. I was a bit late to it. I maybe hit it like, let me just look. I don't need to guess. 1757.50. So right here. And when it started to move up, I just closed it out. I mean, that's a good end to the Friday. Easy end. And if you're still in this, I would definitely cover money because you're going to run into another level here.
Did anybody even jump in?
Yep.
You got in, Steven?
Yeah. I didn't get in on the move that you did though. I literally just got out of a scalp on a
Nice.
buy.
Douglas got in too. Yeah, those can, dude, if you're not used to these, if you're not used to trading this way or you're new, it's definitely difficult to catch. These things, they move pretty fast. It can be difficult to catch. But I mean, I don't know how much.
Anyway, I gotta go. I'm out.
I don't know how much easier I can make it. I mean, we literally talk about it ahead of time. Talk about it ahead of time. Close above this level, bottom wick starts to break out. Buy it.
Yo, I'm gonna send you the range that I bought in.
Do you have a screenshot of your trade or no?
No, I didn't get a chance to screenshot it, but I'm just gonna show you the range I bought it in. I think it's that one, I believe. Take a look.
Oh yeah, you had a pretty tight. Oh, you were playing up here though.
Yeah, correct. I was playing up there.
Yeah, I mean, it's still good. You have a lot of bullish candles closing here, and the 1 minute just still continued breaking up and it broke up, execute.
Yeah, a good 10 pips.
Yeah, that's perfect. I could have squeezed the 10 out, but I got a little less than that. But as well, I got a late entry. It's hitting my target. It's Friday. It's like, do I really want to be that greedy right now?
Right.
Especially when I couldn't find too many clean opportunities all week. So, why rush it or press it?
Yeah, no reason to. It's Friday. Did you what else did you trade this week? Or is this
I traded
you
gold.
did trade, right?
Yeah, remember we traded on the stream the other day. I traded gold and
Right.
I traded Bitcoin once this week. I took I traded Bitcoin once. I tried when Bitcoin was down. Let me see here. So when Bitcoin was down here off of these highs and was pushing down, and it just kept creating like lower high, lower high,
Oh, yeah,
lower
yeah.
high.
Yeah.
I shorted in, like I shorted right here, and it fell back against this resistance. So my idea was that if it started to break up above this, that it would continue up because of this big support here. But if it broke this support, we would see like a pretty big meltdown out of this. So the risk reward was there, and it came back up and hit me. It hit my I had a stop loss sitting right above this, but I ended up losing. I guess I calculated it wrong, or I don't even know. I ended up losing half of what I thought I was going to, so I can't be mad about that.
Yeah, you can't be mad about that.
And that thing just ripped out of there. So I haven't touched Bitcoin again since, and yeah, whatever.
What time is it? God, like,
Looks like silver's up this week again too. It's got a long way to recover. Gold's weekly turned bullish. That's good. If gold's weekly can close bullish, ooh, that'd be nice. What a sneaky little gold buy today.
what was that?
I said, what a sneaky gold buy today.
Yeah. I actually kind of hopped in here pretty late, and by the time you took your buys, I wasn't even set up yet.
Oh yeah, it did happen kind of quick. Yeah, these gold moves though, man, these things, you know how it is. You've been here for a while. These
Yeah.
things can, if you ain't ready for it, if you ain't ready for these things, man, they'll move fast. You got to execute. That idea there was pretty good though.
Yeah, pretty good idea overall. Good Friday, good Friday.
Yeah, what is, somebody says I scalped NQ last night. What is NQ?
Isn't it
That
the
ain't it.
NASDAQ index? Yeah.
Oh. How does that even look? It's gotta look just like S&P, I would assume. Yeah, it looks very similar. I mean, the US 30, this S&P all look the same.
Yeah, pretty much.
Man, now it's 5:54 in the morning here. I'm already done. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my day today. Oh, I actually do. I'm gonna go out to later on anyways. Not now. Gonna go out to
bed.
no, I'm gonna go into the Sequoias here soon and go to some hot springs there.
Cool.
I've been to the Sequoias before, but I haven't been to this part of it that I want to go today. Honestly, part of me is kind of ready to be home. Go take off somewhere for a month. It's like, ugh, after a while.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. It's like that, bro.
Then I have the Half Dome hike next week. And that's my
Miss
last,
your setup.
huh?
So you probably missed your setup.
Oh yeah. I'm sitting in this freaking kitchen on this wooden like stool on the counter. Like it's weird how to explain it. It's like an open concept between here and the living room, and there's like this countertop, like bar style, you know. So I've just been
Yeah,
sitting
yeah,
there
yeah. I
every
know what
day.
you're talking about.
Sucks. My butt's killing me from sitting on this friggin' wooden stool. And I just have this laptop, like I'm used to both of my screens and stuff.
Yeah. You said both screens, you said?
Yeah, I'm used to having multiple screens and not just this one.
Yeah, same.
It's just a lot easier because like I can keep news on one, maybe keep up like my Thinkorswim when I want to watch a stock market, keep up trading view. It's easier having a few. You don't have to rotate through all this up here.
Yeah, I have two screens as well. I have two monitors.
Yeah,
It
it's
makes it a lot more easier.
way
I
easier.
hate going back and forth.
Mm.
Mm.
Man, I guess that's gonna be it for gold here today. Well, at least for us.
Yeah.
Might move probably move a bit. Ideally what I would want is this thing to hold on to some kind of gains and then continue for New York Stock Exchange Open to continue higher. That would be ideal because what we want to do here is turn this daily candle back bullish, and we want to close on the weekly. We want to close bullish, preferably back up towards 1760. So that's kind of what I want to see there for gold, but not a bad weekly close. If we can get it back up there, that would be solid. But easy trade. Thing consolidated all night, gave FU candles, pushed back into the range, bottom wick, broke the highs. Easy. That's the textbook setup. Yeah, them trades that Trap King had, those were good. GU smacked Euro GBP as well. Thing literally wicked into it, just melted.
Dude, that Euro GBP trade.
Were you in that?
Fire, bro. I was in it, but I closed out, so I didn't catch the full move. I closed out yesterday.
Yeah.
But that,
Man, I feel like you've
that
been
trade was
eating.
fire,
You've been
man.
eating this week.
Yeah, I have, bro. I really have.
Yeah, you did. You had a couple good trades.
Just gotta really put the time into it.
Yeah, that's the biggest thing. All the
Show up.
time. Show up, put the time in. Something that 90% of these people do not want to do. Because here's the problem too, especially with Forex. The whole thing around it is that, oh, this thing's open 24 hours a day. We can trade whenever we want, blah, blah, blah. But your most quality trade ideas come out of like when you actually have a system, like waking up every morning, same time, taking this one or two trades and just
Right.
executing on it. It just does something for you instead of being lazy, sleeping in all day, waking up. Oh, I'll try to find a trade because the market's open 24 hours. Like that's just a stupid way to trade.
Yeah.
It's not realistic. So look at gold here. You see how this 15-minute just opened with no bottom wick, right at a resistance? These are good times to short those. You can short right off of that level and anticipate that 15 minutes going to make that bigger pullback. But the problem is here, this is tight. This is a pretty tight one. Like you would literally short off of that. You might be up like 2 pips. But if you start to break your own high again, probably got to get out. But what I do is I wait on those, then I just fade them back down, towards like a support like this. So you see it starting to come down now.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That would have been money there. Oh, that would have been money. Easy 10 pips off of that. Yeah, the wicks,
Wow.
dude, the wicks, they're all important. And those these things happen so fast too. Like literally you'd be in and out within a minute.
Mhm.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave all this kind of marked up though and come back to it later today and just see where I'll obviously keep the track of the quotes on my phone, but I want to see where gold closes out. Hopefully we can get this thing to continue up today and close decent.
You see?
Oh, I forgot. Someone asked a question. You say you post a recording somewhere. Yeah, these get some of them get posted somewhere. Hold up a second, I'll show you. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have to. Oh, this is fine. I'll be able to do it. Let me know if there's like a weird echo that starts too. Hold up, I'm gonna mute myself out so it doesn't happen.
All right.
Okay, so now in the chat, there's the link. So you can click on that link. That'll take you to the channel where just about a lot of things get posted, not everything. So yeah, you should have that. It's in the chat. You can go click on a link, go there. You can watch a lot of videos there, a lot of live sessions. But outside of that, you guys know what? I think that's gonna be it for the week. I think I'm done here. No more. Anything from anyone else before I get off of here? Anybody at all?
Oh, sir. Appreciate you, man. Peace.
Alrighty, Steven, I'll see you around. And for everyone else, have a good weekend. That's it. Don't overtrade. You're done today. If you didn't catch the trade, just close it all out. Be done. So that's going to be it. I'll see all you guys like probably sometime next week. Peace out.
Yes, sir.